So welcome back everyone, this is Diksha, and in this video let's see the roadmap for becoming a data scientist or an ML engineer after your class 12th. So yeah, just we need to understand the path because both data scientist and an ML, both machine learning and data science are the exciting fields and both of them had an immense growth potential. So here's the roadmap to guide you. So don't miss out the video and watch till the end. I'm going to tell the five most important credentials, or let it be like five most important things that you need to pursue in your growth if you want to become a data scientist or an ML engineer. So firstly, the first is build a strong foundation. Like you can build strong foundation on mathematical and statistics, it's a mandatory thing. And the second, you need to have a strong basics or foundation on programming, and you should be also good with your logical reasoning and problem solving. So this is the number one point, that you need to be very sure on building a strong foundation. This mathematical and statistics are the pillars for data science. Whatever you say, these are the must and the key concepts for learning a data science. Mostly you have to focus on the calculus part, linear algebra, probability, or even statistics. All of them: statistics, probability, linear algebra, and calculus. You need to cover all these topics. Then getting into programming, Python is generally used mostly in the industry. Python is just an industry standard, bro. You have to learn Python at any cost. You have to learn its syntaxes, you have to learn its data structures, you have to learn its libraries. Few most important libraries are like NumPy or Matplotlib or Pandas. These are the important things that you need to learn in programming for building a strong foundation. So third and the important thing, that is logical reasoning and problem solving. You need to build very strong analytical skills to tackle any complex problems, because while you're solving data structures or algorithms, there are some tough questions you need to solve in a rough paper. You cannot code, or you may get any syntax errors. So you have to be very strong with your analytical skills, identifying your error. About your formal education, wherever you do your schooling or wherever you complete your 11th or 12th, at least you need to get a bachelor's degree from BTech or any BSc course. Consider a degree in computer science or statistics and mathematics or any related field to it. This provides a structured learning environment, because any company is recruiting you, there is a high probability of choosing the computer science related students rather than choosing an electrical engineering students. So at least get a degree from mathematics or computer science, or else you can just choose the specialized courses, or you can explore some online platforms like Udemy, there is an edX or Coursera, or any few other data science or ML courses. You can enroll them for free, or you can register them for free, or else there are some paid courses. Yeah, you can opt for them, and you can just prepare and you can learn through them, and you can just easily crack interviews and get into some good companies. But make sure that an data scientist or an ML engineer jobs are not for freshers. It takes some time. First you need to be in a software development field for a few years, only then you can get into this data scientist or an ML engineer field. So make sure that. So talking about certificates, these certificates, while not mandatory, but these certificates may enhance your resume. Like consider options like Google Cloud certified programming, professional data engineer certificates, or you may find some free certificates on online like AWS certified machine learning. These are some few courses you can enroll for free and just get a free certificate. But make sure that your core concepts must be very strong, because the industry is going to hit and it has a high paying job. It takes a lot of time. So make sure that you get a relevant degree and have a best certificates. Then pick some online courses. Then practice. The third point and the most important point is the practical experience. The number point, you have built your strong foundation on concepts. The second one, you're choosing your relevant degree and completing your courses from online or any offline coaching centers. And the number three one is your practical experience. Practical experience builds by personal projects, by doing some personal projects or doing some related internships regarding your courses what you have prepared. And especially for data science, you need to do work upon these Kaggle and data science competitions and attending some hackathons. So personal projects, these personal projects can include like building your own portfolio, or build projects using real life applications or real life world data sets. So these may apply your knowledge, and you can, firstly you need to prepare a good portfolio of yours if you're making a project. Then internships. Talking about these internships is a really important things, because internships are fake these days. So many people or so many students are getting into these fake internships. They themselves are paying money to them for just getting certificate or some letter of recommendations. Never do this mistake, because internship is a thing where you need to get knowledge. You need to provide some work for them, and they need to pay for you. That's how internship actually work. So first gain an industry exposure, then gain some practical experience through internships. That's it. Number three, about data scientists, you need to work upon Kaggle or you need to attend some data science competitions. Participate in the competition just to challenge yourself and learn from others. Always rectify your mistakes because it's a very depth field. You cannot just go swim and you cannot get any knowledge through it. You need to go interact with every person in competition or else you're attending a hackathon. Go meet everyone, make a good connection, make a network, go and talk with people, and just you can get a real practical experience. That's it. And moving to the fourth concept is just mastering your core concepts. Mastering of core concepts, like what you can ask me, like in which way can I master my core subjects or my core concepts. So these core concepts can be divided in few particular ways. These may include your data pre-processing, data visualization, especially when you're a data science student, then model evaluation, then for machine learning, it includes the deep learning, and you have to be very clear with your machine learning algorithms. So data pre-processing, what does they include? So you need to learn the techniques of clean, you need to learn the techniques of transform or prepare data for some analysis. That's it. For data visualization, you can effectively communicate insights through visualization. For this, you need to be very clear with your Panda or NumPy or Matplotlib, the Python libraries. You have to be very clear with data visualization. Then getting into the model evaluation, you need to learn to access the model performance to choose the best model. Then getting into deep learning and machine learning algorithms, you have to explore some neural networks and choose the best domains for what you can work upon, or else what your work is correlated to some other work. So you need to understand the supervised, the unsupervised, and the reinforcement learning algorithms, especially in machine learning algorithms. That's it. So master your core concepts first, build a strong foundation, then get a relevant degree, work upon projects, master your core concepts. Then always, the fifth point and the most important point in this video, that you need to always stay updated. How can you stay updated? You're attending hackathons, you're doing offline internships or online internships. Go meet people, talk people, connect them on LinkedIn, or take their GitHub IDs or exchange your Instagram IDs, talk to them, be in a regular touch. Or else you can also follow some industry trends, the latest advancements in data science and ML you can find on YouTube or else in Google as well. The last important thing is, bro, continuous learning and being consistent is the most and the best important thing that you need to do. Not only in this course, not only in this field, in any of the field, being consistent and being disciplined is one of the toughest part. So when you're talking about data science and ML, this field is evolving very rapidly. Everybody of you know that. So continuous learning is important. So stay consistent and have a disciplined life so that you can get through this field. Have fun, have enjoy, always keep learning and keep motivating yourself. That's it in this video. I'll get back to you in the other one. Bye bye.